Breakfast on day 3. Big breakfast today. Got some bacon. We taste the bacon. Yeah. Vegan bacon.
I just feel like I don't have a family. We can do it like a steak style.
I didn't even want to speak in the room because it was like everyone's sleeping.
You touched it? No. About to go on this hike. Take this mask off.
Tumbling Waters Trail at the Poconos Environmental Education Center. This trail is 3 miles long and is marked by bright orange blazes. The trailhead is located across the Lodge A, from Lodge A. You should give yourself about 2 hours to complete this trail.
Species of clusters of 5. Once abundant throughout
White
the
pine
Northeast,
tree.
the eastern white pine have
Eastern.
been logged colonial times, resulting in
If you were standing here about 13,000 years ago, you would be at the bottom of a glacial ice sheet.
Crossing over. Tumbling waters.
Like they're like smooth, but also then have those like hard thing. That's poison ivy. Poison ivy can look like this too, but this is not poison ivy. But it can look smooth like that. So like this isn't poison ivy, this isn't poison ivy, that's poison ivy.
It's so hard to like.
And over here,
The seats we have.
Oh yes, it's downhill.
we missed 5. I don't know.
Oh, that's a...
The sun came out.
Let's jump.
Wait, I'm gonna drop top.
You want to jump together? Yeah. All right.
Careful, careful. Yeah, you stay there and I'll move around.
Couple ounce French. Surf. Surf. Surfy. Babies in the woods.
Just from the distance, I think we should have been.
Welcome to the point, I guess the next shady. Here, Mama.
So it might rain. Put my camera in this bag so I don't get wet. And my phone. It's so steep down here.
The trail is designed to minimize erosion, which can be a problem in steep areas. As you walk down the trail, try to feel the drop in temperature. The type of forest will change from the mixed oak forest to what's known as the hemlock ravine. The eastern hemlock, Pennsylvania's state tree, is the large evergreen tree with short, flat needles and tiny cones.
You can feel the drop in temperature. It's getting cooler.
Oh,
Ooh, look.
At your own discretion, but let's all gather around first, and then we can start exploring around the waterfall. We got a couple, and then I gotta go over some rules before we start.
We can walk in the waterfall.
Enjoy the waterfall. Due to the lack of sunlight, not many plants are able to grow on the ground here.
Alright, alright.
Doing it.
Here, give me that stuff so you don't have it on your hands. Oh yeah.
Nah, I'm in there.
We'll wait till homeboy gets out the water.
We got in the water.
How do you zoom in?
Even pointing it out.
I know. I would cancel. My daughter is yeah, please be careful. You do know. I know. Like I said, I know. Now you have to go.
Look at here. Hold on.
What happened?
The vlog.
I love it. It's all Harley Quinn. Yeah. Oh, yeah, right? Yes. Super adorable.
You good?
Love you. Oh. And look at the adventure that your mom's going on. Don't you ever, 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 ever stop yourself from doing anything, because if she's doing it right now and kicking ass, hello, hello, hell of a woman.
Thank you.
Beautiful. To the ground.
Are you good?
Woo! Got this down. 5 feet to a man.
Does it record immediately or do I have to press it?
Oh, I can't wait to post this. For sure.
Hope that I don't miss it.
Oh, fuck.
Sun's coming out. Sun came out. What about a drop top? Okay, let me get out of here before I mess up my camera. Woo!
We got everybody?
We made it up the hill.
Where's the free?
Yeah.
Right? Somewhere down there.
Oh, he probably just cruising up.
Somewhere down there.
He probably enjoying the view.
So I got in the water with one of my batteries in my pocket. So I only got one battery for now. That's what we're going through right now. Oh shit.
That would be a dope photo, right? This is the time machine, guys. This is where we go back. I get chill vibes in here.
I guess birds are here. Could birds be in here? And spiders. We finally finished the trail. Made it back. I forgot to brush my hair. I was taking a nap. But I'm on my way to the second hike of day 3. So they went ahead because I did not want to go through number 1 through 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to meet them at 9 so I could go through 9 through the end of whatever is 15 or 20 or whatever it is. So I'm on my way over there, right there, through the yerks. These are called yerks. Walking a lot. I'm walking a lot because at work I just sit down. Like, I don't really walk much in New York. And when I do, it's either with Slime, and Slime be dragging me. And I'm not going to be hiking anytime soon again. I'm not going to be at the Poconos anytime soon. So yeah, so I might as well just use this time. And I'm not so big. I'm still small. And go over there. I don't know if that's a bird or a person making that whistle noise. But I don't see any of the family yet. So yeah, I'm trying to be back by dinner so I can eat dinner and go on the 3rd hike, which I'm definitely going on. Even though I'm on the 2nd hike, but I don't know where they're at.
And it says something about, all right, marker 15 is the last marker on the trail. Cross through the campfire site and follow the road up back to the main building and front parking lot.
Look at this dinner tonight. Try the chicken. Mustard. Barbecue. Okay. Oh shit, hot. This corn is hot. OD hot. That's a weird corn. It's too mushy.
when you said keep straight on the path. Okay, I didn't have your number, so it didn't even go to. I wasn't on my phone anyway, but it didn't matter.
You found the way, so it worked out. I figured that you did.
Oh, can we all get it on? I want to feel the love.
Love you all.
That smell good.
So happy.
I had to wait. I had to make sure everything was good, and I was like, alright, we're good.
I said at 12 o'clock. I was like 12 o'clock. I took it at 11:54 or some shit. I was like, it's not 12 o'clock. It's like close enough.
Right in the beginning, man.
Watch all the time when you take it because then you can pay attention to the peaks because it comes in waves.
Oh, yeah? Oh, what time is it?
A little rabbit.
30 minutes.
Right.
Started on the scenic trail. I'm gonna start walking. Scenic George. Having trees here. Wait.
Y'all got me too excited. Don't talk about poison ivy and don't get it. I love it. April, can I have pictures? Oh, it's wet. Feels good. Look where I sit.
The 16.
I'm with Drea.
Was the second one worse than this?
No. Oh. Well, it was more steep. But this one's
There was a lot of hills, so we. This is more like a.
focused. Look at how many trees have fallen. That's scary.
And it makes you wonder, like, how long have they been like this?
19. It's getting dark. Third hike of the day. Almost done. You saw it?
Yep, right there.
Yay!
Yeah, so guys, we got s'mores over there if you guys want it. Yeah, I heard that. I didn't want to go in there. Like, go ahead, lady. That's the first one, girl. Get it. I love it.
I ever call myself eating it.
I was like, oh, smoking, but y'all on a different. Oh my God.
Remember when she's like, right, let me get a hit of it.
Yeah, I know.